In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo changes in Google Docs. If you've ever deleted something by mistake, changed formatting you didn't mean to change, or simply wanted to reverse your last action, Google Docs makes that very easy. It also lets you bring an action back if you undo something and then realize you still wanted it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find both options and how to use them with confidence. To get started, go to your Google Doc, open the document where you want to manage recent changes. Once the file is open, look toward the top of the screen. This is where Google Docs keeps many of the most common editing tools, including the options for undoing and redoing your actions. To undo a change, click on the arrow in the top formatting row that points to the left. This is the undo button. When you click it, Google Docs will reverse your most recent action. For example, if you accidentally typed something, deleted text, pasted content in the wrong place, or applied formatting you don't want, this button will take you one step back. If needed, you can click it again to continue undoing earlier changes one at a time. This is especially helpful when you're editing quickly and want to backtrack carefully rather than making more adjustments manually. Right next to it, you'll see another arrow that points to the right. This is the redo button. Click that arrow to redo a change that you just undid. In other words, if you use undo and then decide you actually wanted that change after all, redo lets you restore it. This can save time and help you avoid repeating the same edit from scratch. A useful tip here is to work slowly if you're undoing multiple actions. Since each click goes back one step, it's a good idea to watch the document as you go, so you stop at the exact point you want. The same applies to redo. If you've undone several changes, you can use redo to move forward through those actions again, one step at a time. And that's all there is to it. Go to your Google Doc, use the left pointing arrow to undo, and use the right pointing arrow to redo. These two simple tools are essential for everyday editing and can make working in Google Docs much smoother and less stressful.